Welcome back, guys. It's dark, and that's probably unusual. Um, and you guys are up really high. But I went out fishing today, and it didn't work out exactly how I expected it to, but it also worked out exactly how I expected it to. So today the winds were up to like 24 mile an hour here in Michigan, where I'm at. So safe to say that it was a rough day of fishing for sure, but that also means that nobody was out. So I took advantage of the opportunity and I went out fishing. Um, First place I went to was a big lake, Whitecaps. Then I came to where I'm at now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you enjoy the fish that I catch because I get pretty excited. And yeah, a little weird outro intro kind of coming at you because I think I forgot to film an intro. So I hope you guys liked today's video. I will catch you on the fish side. So I'm going to tie on this little white trailer onto that chatterbug. I'm going to give it a few casts. Looks like there's a few trees around here and some other stuff that I could probably get this under, and there should be a good fish in that area. I've got the dog with me today, as I mentioned. She's just kind of hanging out. She's tethered to my backpack, so she's not going to blow away in the wind. And yeah, let's get this fishing session started here. Oh, that looks great. That should get bit for sure. Well, on a normal day it would get bit. We'll see about on a 24 mile an hour windy day. Alright, we're going to go to the other pier, see if that one looks a little bit better than this one. Alright, so we made it to the other pier. Now, it looks like at one point the waves were crashing over the dock, but they aren't anymore, so we should be alright. Right. Ooh. Oh, man. Alright, love you too. Bye. Oh, no. Oh, I just got off the phone with my dad. While I was on the phone with him, I was casting. I caught this bass. Wow, look at that. It's huge. It's bigger than the one I caught last time I was here. I put my hand in the water because he came off right at the shore. I'm going to get a weight on this guy and show you guys what's up here. Alright. Let's get a weight on this. It is snowing right now. Oh yeah. 1.3. Yep, beats the one from last time. Isn't that right, Lilith? So get this guy back in the water here. Get a nice release on him for you guys. Alright, bud. There he goes. He came up and smashed that lure. That's why I fish. That's why we fish, Lilith. That's it right there. That's why we fish. Exactly. Exactly. Alright. And he hit it. This lure, I was doing a jig pause retrieve, and he just slammed it. So, make a few more casts with this guy, and my plan is I'm going to put the chatterbait I was using earlier today on my 7-foot, and I'm going to go to the deep section and see if I can't get any pike. But man, that bass just came out of nowhere. It's like 40 degrees out today. It was just snowing, and winds were at 24 mile an hour at the height of the day. I think they've calmed down now. I've been out since 1 or 2, and it is now 6 o'clock. It's about the same time they hit last time I was here. Man, I hate wearing gloves, but it is cold. So that's my PB of 2020 is 1.3 pounds, which is pretty good. Oop, got another one. Oh, this is just a little guy. Over the sticks. I didn't get over the sticks. He's gonna come off. Well, I know the bass are biting in here. That's good. What, do you want to see the fish, Lilith? So there's no point in weighing him, because I can guarantee he's not bigger than 1.3. Well, you want to say hi to this fish too? She doesn't get to see bass that often. Usually it's just the crappie. So I'm going to let this guy go. He swam off nice and easy. I don't think you're going anywhere. I'm just going to let it sink. Ooh, got one. Oh, it feels good. Okay. Oh, it looks like a pike. Oh, it's because it is. Get up here. Lilith, get back. There we go. First slime of the year. Lilith, I love you. You're making this so hard. Oh, yeah. There we go. Just a slow, steady retrieve. Hook popped right out. Backpack's coming off. Dog don't do anything crazy. Look at that, guys. But there's just a little guy. But hey, I will take it. Nice fish. Urban fishing, man. This is something else. I'm gonna get him back in the water and get him on his way. God, he was taking it. There he goes. Good pike. Now I'm all wrapped up in this tree. In front of us here, like a little bit of nature. Alright, so still no fish there. We'll go back to where I caught that pike. We'll do one to the left, one in the center, one to the right. If we don't get anything again, we'll go to the other spot where I caught the bass. I'll switch back to the Daiwa reel and we'll try that out, see if I can catch another, maybe like a little panfish or something cool. Straight out front. Alright, then we'll do one hard right. And I think that'll be it. This part of today. We'll switch back to the Daiwa and see what's going on there. Get caught in brambles, that sounds like Zach's reel to me. Alright, so we're gonna go to the last spot for today. See if we can catch some fish there. And then we'll be done with this urban fishing part 2. You wanna bring your stick? Oh, that's my stick. You wanna bring that one? Okay. Come on, little. She's got her stick, guys. Don't you worry. Same thing I did last time. Cast it down the center. And I'm just going to let it drift until I think it's deep enough in there. And then give it some jigs.